WellCare Royal Tools successfully installs and retrieves numbers of wireline set retrieval bridge plug and mech 10-packer system every year worldwide, in different sizes of case 12s in high pressure and high temperature environment. In this animation you will watch a typical installation and retrieval of bridge plug and packer in detail. Welcome to WellCare Bridge Plug and Packer System. Hydraulic setting tool, an alternate to wireline pressure setting assembly, being used for setting the bridge plug. Prepare the hookup as stated at the drill floor. Make up the tubing with the hydraulic setting tool and hydraulic setting tool with wireline adapter kit and wireline set retrievable bridge plug. Tighten the hydraulic setting tool with the tubing by applying exact torque as per thread connection. Run the hookup into the well bore to reach at desired setting depth with the circulation. The hydraulic setting tool consists of 3-cylinder piston mechanism to set the bridge plug. Drop a steel ball and wait till it seats at the ball seat of the hydraulic setting tool. Now apply pressure at an increment of 500 psi. When pressure reaches at 1500 psi, shear screws of the HST will shear to build up required downward force to set the bridge plug. Furthermore, when pressure increase up to 2300 psi, the release stud will shear off, assuring the bridge plug is set successfully as later effect only possible. Subsequently, the hydraulic setting tool along the tubing string can be pulled out of open hole. Now we are going to make use of 10K packer in the well bore. Prepare the hookup as stated at the drill floor. Make up the tubing with the overshoot of on-off tool and stinger of on-off tool with the Mech 10 packer. Tighten thread connections by applying exact torque. Run the hookup into the well bore to reach at desired setting depth with the circulation. Pick the string up to 10 inch and give 1/4 of right hand turn. Then apply slack down weight of 12,000 to 60,000 pounds to set the packer, which will make lower J come out of the button to set the lower slips and the packing element. Meanwhile, the upper J will rotate automatically to engaged position and set the upper slips, confirming the packer is set successfully. Apply pressure in annulus and check for no pressure drop to conclude the packer has been set properly. Pump down sand to fracture the formation to perform the hydro-fracturing job. Now the on-off tool with the tubing string can be retrieved. Pick up the tubing string 1 inch and give 1/4 of left-hand turn. This will disengage the button of stinger from the J of overshot. Now the on-off tool along tubing string can be pulled out of hole. The packer in the well bore can be used as a bridge plug by placing a blanking plug at the given profile of stinger, to perform any job above the packer. To retrieve the Mech 10 packer, apply down weight of about 500 pounds and pick the tubing and give 1/4 of right hand turn. Further picking the tubing string up, the upper J will disengage and packer will be released. Further applying up strain to about 15,000 to 25,000 pounds will cause the slips to retract back to its original position. Pull the hookup out of hole to the surface. Next, to retrieve the bridge plug from the well bore, prepare the hookup as stated at the drill floor. Make up the retrieving tool with washover shoe with the tubing or drill pipe string. Tighten thread connections by applying exact torque. Run the hook up into the well bore till it reaches bridge plug. Apply slack down weight of about 5,000 pounds. This will cause the equalizing port to open and equalizing pressure in the well bore. The retrieving tool consists of a latch collet which will engage into the fisher neck of the bridge plug. Further apply up strain of 5,000 to 10,000 pounds to shear off 2 screws at the release sleeve of the bridge plug. Continued pull-up will cause the slips and the packing elements of the bridge plug to retract back to their original position. Pull hook up a free retrieving tool and bridge plug to the surface. For further query please contact at sale@wellcarryoiltools.com.